On the last episode, so did you see my face? You know why my face was like that? Did you see the smoke? Okay, before I think I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Let me exactly show you how I ended up with that face. Let's go. All right, so this is my exhaust. I recently looked down there and I was like, what the hell is this, bro? So I just set out and started taking my exhaust off. Started from the headers and worked my little way on back to the freaking slip-on exhaust and finally got it all off. Now this is a really important part. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boys, Mr20west here. Yeah. So here's a real quick clip. I started this video off in my garage, but for some reason I chopped my head completely off. Kind of sucked. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to just put up a little video of me going to work. This is basically me almost every day when I ride my bike to work. Pretty much chilling. Um, Still working on my voiceover stuff. So I apologize if it sucked. Yeah. Alright. So basically this video that I'm about to play is gonna talk about the mods that I have that I didn't do any videos for. Some of the videos I do have, some of the stuff I do have video footage of it, so I'll put that in there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you're having a great day and a great month and a great year. Um, yeah, so yeah, enjoy. Okay, first things first, we're gonna go at the fender. Well, wheel fender, wheel hauler, the front of the bike. You know what I'm saying? So, as you see that carbon fiber. That carbon fiber looks crazy, right? Can't really remember the price of that, but I'm definitely gonna tag that in there. I'm gonna show you what the price is. This is the original one. That in the light so you can see it. A little dirty, a little dusty. I didn't clean it before I took it off. But yeah, so if you wanted to do this, because I didn't really record me taking off the fender, because I don't know, I thought it was pretty darn straightforward. So this right here, these are brake lines. So this is a brake line, this is a brake line, these two brake lines, and then remember I got this rubber part up here which I guess stops dirt from going in. So and then you see the screws there and the screws here. Man, I'm really digging that carbon fiber on there. It looks amazing on there. One thing about changing out the fender or wheel, whatever, man, the front of the wheel. You know what I'm talking about? This little thing right here. One thing about it is you have to push out these right here. Like, I took a screwdriver and a hammer and I kind of like knocked on them a little bit to take them out, because the carbon fiber one did not come with those in there. So you have to take the old ones out of this one and put it in that one. And you also have to have a drill for the carbon fiber. I found out that the holes in these things right here, they don't come already ready, so they have a generic hole that the screws won't go through at all. So you want to make sure you got a drill before you do something like this. I got this from Walmart a while ago. I think I made a video on it. Shout out to Walmart. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like 40 bucks. So yeah. Another part that I didn't make a video of is the air intakes here on the side. They are strictly cosmetic. They add no horsepower, no gains, no nothing. It has a little lip here, so so air can't go nowhere anyway. But it is, as you can see, I don't have a screen there. I did have the screen. I took the screens out, and I thought the red just make that, try to tie in that carbon fiber with the red a little bit, get that, you know, shout out Motor Style, they're my people. Another video, but this one actually has a video of me doing this. This is the grill guard for the MT09, as you can see. You see that M, and then I don't know, I guess this the T, and then this the 09. So I painted it. I ended up painting it red and black. Didn't do a great job. I can go back in there with some touch-up paint and touch those areas. But yeah, I like it. It adds more style to it, more flair. Give you that ooh wee, especially with that the red intake, air intake right there. That really stands out right there. That ooh, with my crash bars right there. Yeah, that's it. Or stunt cage, as people like to say, or the police officers like to tell me all the freaking time. So I'm gonna put that video in there if I haven't already did that. Look at that exhaust wrap. Oh, I can't wait for that video to drop. It's gonna look so dope. You guys gonna love it. Alright, so then we're gonna move over here to the clutch cable. Don't stand in the light because we need that. We need that. I want you to feel that carbon fiber right there. That clutch cable cover right there. Carbon fiber. Can't remember how much it was, but I'm definitely gonna put that in the video so you can feel that. Look at that. It looks amazing. Yeah, I liked it. My only issue with that, I did run into an issue with that. This part right here, I actually had to shave down because my cage wouldn't allow it to really sit flush. So I cut off some of the bottom half of it, which hurt my soul to cut my carbon fiber. But yeah, it's sitting pretty flush on there. If you want to know, there was nothing special about it, fixing it, other than taking off some of the bottom part so it can fit. It was just pretty generic. The bolts were good. See that? So what it is it's a clutch cover. So if anything happened, the brunt of the attack would be on the carbon. And this carbon is really strong, bro. I tried to break it with my hand, and I felt stupid because I couldn't do it. All right. Let me see. Nope. One more thing is my rear sets. I was gonna buy some black rear sets, believe it or not. But then I was like, I really like the rear sets that I have. I'm so used to them. So let me just paint them black. And I did. I went and bought some, have you ever heard of Crash Bar paint? It's for cars, really. They got those cages inside of cars, which reinforces the body of the car. I use that same paint for it. It's okay. It's not really durable because you can see right there. You see right there. It's a little messed up there, but other than that, everything is pretty solid right there. That looks so good. Look at that carbon. Oh my God. And then of course my carbon M4. Yeah, my carbon M4 goes crazy. I think that's what really made me want to carbon all this stuff too. See, as you can see, the tank doesn't have stickers. It still has the old stuff on there. I'm still using the Gooba Gone to get it off. And you already seen that when I put that on. So yeah, that's just a couple mods that I didn't make a video for, really. I do have a video of the grill and the rear sets and the clutch bin put on, but I didn't make a video of this or that. So as always, it's your boys, Mr20west. Hopefully you stay tuned for more carbon project madness. I got a lot more to do. Let's see right there. Look at that. I got a lot more to do. That's gonna be carbon too. Insane. Alright. Peace, my beautiful people.
It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.